Warwickshire County Council's Fire and Rescue Service is calling on members of the public to stay safe this bonfire night. One of the busiest nights of the year for emergency services, officers will, in all likelihood, be attending a range of small fires and incidents across the county, most commonly at family and private parties. Members of the public have therefore been asked to focus on the most common causes of fire and to have their wits about them at all times. These include the misuse of fireworks, failure to observe the fireworks code, and excessive consumption of alcohol. For more information on Bonfire Night safety, head to warwickshire.gov.uk/celebrate safely. Meanwhile, anyone planning a bonfire night party this year is urged to ensure they only purchase fireworks from reputable retailers. Illegal fireworks can pose a serious risk to health, as there are no guarantees that they have been stored correctly and may contain chemicals that represent a risk to the public. And finally, fire and rescue crews in Bidford have been busy judging local children's Guy Fawkes creations for the annual Bidford Fire Station's Guy Fawkes Competition. This year's winners were Oscar, Harry and Isla, who all received a certificate for their efforts and a range of tasty treats. Each of the guys have taken pride of place on the Bidford Big Bonfire.